Hey budget friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am an Australian cash stuffer, and in today's video I am doing the Sister Sister edition. So I have collabed with my sister last year as she asked me to help her save for her music festival experience with Tomorrowland, and also to save for her 2 months in Europe. So that is what we're doing. This is specifically a binder just for that, and this amount usually should be about $1,000. However, I am quite behind in filming, so this amount here is $2,000. And we will just stuff in each category, in each envelope, and try and reach that goal for each envelope. So if you're interested in how it might look like, stick around. Okay, so this is a spontaneous stuffing, so I want to go backwards because I just want to. So let's start off with, I haven't even labeled these yet, I am that busy, but this is for medical, and it has $250, so we're going to add a $50 to it. So now medical has $51, $52, $53, so $300, and I will update the tracker after filming. So the time, like, she is definitely consistent. I am so proud of her for being consistent and being goal driven. Travel insurance will be getting, it has 200, so let's put 50. So travel insurance now has 51, 52, 50, 250. Yeah, so she is definitely, I'm really proud of her. Like, she's been really consistent with pretty much saving the amount of money towards her travel expenses. And I sometimes do ask her, hey, look, like, just to give her a little bit of pressure and a push as to, hey, will there be any money coming my way to save for you? If there isn't, well, that's on her. And I always remind her that, you know, like, especially when, you know, this is not particularly my expenses. I don't need to be accountable, or I have to be responsible, obviously, but I don't need to be accountable with tracking and making sure that money is saved for this binder. So yeah, I am proud of her, and keep it going, sis. So spending has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55. I am going to add another 50, yeah, just 50. So now we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50, 550. Sorry if you hear any of the dogs barking. I do live in a street full of dogs. So yeah, sorry. So spending has that amount. Onto our accommodation for Europe. So I do want to save a good amount in this envelope. And these trackers, if you're interested, they're on my Etsy, in my Etsy store, which a link is provided down below. So accommodation has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 500. We're going to add $100 in accommodation. So now it has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, $600. I don't know if they're going to stay at an Airbnb, but we will get to see how that works out. So on to transportation. And what does transportation have? So transportation has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50, 550. We're going to add 100. So now it has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 50. 650, is it? Yes, sorry, I had to count it off screen, but yes, 650 is correct. Flights has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,051. So we're going to add 150. So now it has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,051, 52, 50. So 1,250 in flights. I really don't know how much flight is, and I don't know what airline offers that to wherever they're going. I really don't know, but that's up to them. I'm just saving it for them. Tomorrowland food and merch. Let's see how much that has here. This is all spontaneous stuffing. Usually I do with my own normal expenses. I do budget and make sure I allocate the correct amount or the amount needed to reach my goal in each envelopes. But this is spontaneous, it's fun, and I am loving it. So Tomorrowland food and merch has 51, 52, 53, 300. I'm going to add 100 into that. So now it has 50 into that. So now it has 51, 52, 53, 50. 350, as it's not that urgent that I need to reach a good amount in that envelope. On to Tomorrowland clothes. Now let's see how much that has. 51, 52, 53, 54, 50. Let's put a 50, so $500. Let's count. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 500. And I think I will complete this one because this is a lot for a 2-day event. Oh my god, $500. I think that can cover it. So I am completing that. Yes, we finally have completed an envelope. Woo! So, on to T-Land tickets. Now, this envelope is quite busted. It's busting, but that's the goal. We want to try and bust these envelopes. Is it bust or thick? I'll try and make this envelope thick, really, really thick. So we're going to add all of this. Now, all of this, let's count together. Let's see how much all of this is. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, 51, 52, 53, 54. So 1,400. Let's add that together. So in her tickets, she has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 6, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 2,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 3,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50. So 3,550 in her Tomorrowland tickets. I think we're nearly there with her tickets. Now I'm just going to try and, yes, it does fit. It does. Let's see how much we can fit in it. That is the goal. Oh goodness. So we are done stuffing. That's a good amount, 3,550 for the tickets. Apparently they only give like 20 tickets in Australia, in Australia, and then everything else you have to, like, I don't know. I think it's really hard to, I'm not too sure. I just heard it from my sister, and they're just waiting on the next lottery ticket or ticket. I don't know. I'm not too sure. But 3,550 for Tomorrowland tickets, that's amazing. That is amazing. It's expensive, not going to lie. Like, that's a lot of money for tickets to a music festival. But I mean, it's a weekend event, and it's a one life experience, I think it is called. I don't know. Anyway, I'll let you guys go and have a lovely day. Bye.